Hello, I'm Diana De La Cruz and welcome back to my channel. I'm all about health and wellness, especially beauty. So today I've whipped up a beauty quinoa salad that's healthy and skin loving. So let's get started. 1 cup of quinoa, and it's going to be the body of the salad. I love red onion. It is strong, so you might want to start out with a little bit. But it gives it a lot of pop of freshness, puts color into the salad. A lot of this is eyeballing, depending how big you want your salad. It is a pretty filling dish to begin with, so I'm gonna sprinkle that on. Now taking some kale. Dino kale is perfect for this. It's easier to chew down, and it gets soft and marinates with any sauces and dressings that you may add. Kale is just very rich in nutrition, so you want to add that. Get your fiber on. Okay, then I want to add actually some more color, so I'm taking some bell peppers. And if you can't handle the spice, you can definitely take out the seeds. But I'm a spicy type of gal, so I like it spicy. And you can definitely cook everything, but I like the quinoa salad as a go-to type of meal. Like, you can eat cold and it tastes really good. You can meal prep this, or you can heat it up if you want to as well, but just to keep more of the nutrition, keep the food live. Next, I just want to add a few tomatoes. This makes the quinoa salad just very juicy. Add some juice into it. Okay, and then one of my favorites is some olives. They add a great fat to the dish and a little saltiness too. It's really coming together now. These are jumbo size green grapes. They kind of add like that sweet yet savory to the dish. An antioxidant, also great for the skin. Okay, here we go with some cilantro. We're just gonna sprinkle that on the salad. Cilantro is a heavy metal detoxifier, so always great to add in your food. Alright, sprinkle, sprinkle. I love cilantro. I used to hate it as a kid. My mom used to put it in everything, and surprisingly, I love it now in everything. It's funny how that goes. Alright, then one of my favorites is cucumber. This is a huge cucumber, so let me do a small amount. Maybe like 1/4 of that. And this is an organic cucumber, so I'm going to leave the skin. If yours is not, then you might want to take the skin off. And I'll cut that into round cucumbers. They have silica in them. That's a good trace mineral for the skin. It also helps cleans out the kidneys to help clean out the skin. Okay, and one thing I love in a salad is a nice creamy avocado. All right, there we go. Yeah, this one's pretty creamy. Woo! Always a good fat in your dish, and it's very satiating. There's nothing like a satiating avocado in the meal. I am a garlic lover, so I'm using 2 cloves of garlic. You can use less. Garlic just brings out the flavor in food. It's really delicious. Okay, and then I have hemp seeds that have a great omega-3 to 6 ratio. Some people will say that it is a complete protein. Sprinkle this to the salad. It gives it a great nutty flavor. This is about 1.5 tablespoons, and you'll get your magnesium and your zinc, all great for your skin, your body, for inflammation. Some more flavor, I am going to add lemon. So about a half a lemon will do. Okay, and for our dressing, we're going to add this tomato blend. This is in collaboration with Balakian Farms. Tastes like true tomato, sweet yet savory, which is going to make a great addition to the salad as a dressing. The great thing about Balakian Farms is that they're family based. There are 4 generations, and the ingredients are just tomatoes, vinegar, garlic, and salt. It's a lovely blend. They do it themselves at the farm. It's not factory made or anything like that. So show some love. So let me add, let's see, a tablespoon, another tablespoon, as much as you want. Okay, because the sauce has salt already, I'm not going to add any. And plus we have the olives that are salty also, and lemon is another replacement for salt. And you can pack this the night before, and you can have the sauce too, and just put it in a little container just if you want more wet and fresher ingredients, because it may soak into the quinoa, but it looks so delicious. Okay, so here is the finished quinoa salad. Very great for your skin. It's filling, it's satiating. It has your sweet, your savory blend of ingredients. It's super rich and high in antioxidants, your essential fats that you need, and your protein. Wow, it tastes good. It tastes very fresh, uplifting. It tastes sweet, savory, a little spicy, and you got your good creamy fats. So there's a little bit of everything in this salad. It should feel like a little upbeat and energetic as well, and it won't drag you down. I think the cucumbers stabilize your sugars a lot. They kind of balance things out. So you should be good on that. All right, thank you, you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, show Balakian Farms some love, and I'll catch you next time.